Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to access your YouTube Studio audio library on a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a YouTube account, so we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, go to YouTube Studio from the toolbar as a shortcut, or we can physically search and click and then go to the YouTube dashboard. Make sure you are signed into the account and then go to the left hand side navigation bar on the screen from dashboard all the way to the bottom where we see audio library. Click on this and then we are redirected to Creator Classic, where we have the audio library with the same layout. We can download and save free music from YouTube's audio library. We can access sound effects and use this for the videos. Return to YouTube Studio. Quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.